Hey friends, I am sharing these very, very limited kits with you guys. We only have a few of each of these kits in stock, and once they're gone, they're going to be gone. We may do some similar ones with this particular stamp, but they'll be very, very different. This is the stamp that comes in the kit, in this kit. She is one of my favorite little adorable besties. I think I'm getting a glare on there. But these kits are filled, jam-packed with all kinds of goodies. We've got all of these little treasures here that are going to come in here for card making. We've got, these are coming in each of the kits. So I've got a couple different kits. I'm going to have 2 different kits that we're going to put out today. You've got all kinds of trims, some pearls. You've got some little card candy bling bits that are going to be in these. These are super adorable. Then we've got some silk flowers and some different kinds of flowers that are come in the packet. Then we've got, of course, some beautiful, beautiful glitter. And we've got some silk flowers, and they come in a little bag like this for you. Everything's inside. And we just jam-pack it full of goodies. And then in here you get pearls, you get all kinds of findings, and silk flowers, and fabrics. There's different fabrics that come with it too, trim fabrics. We've got some butterflies. And then we have these paper packs that are coming in each kit. So I'm going to be posting this kit up now. It will go live on our website, but like I said, you guys are the first ones to hear about it, to see it, and then I will be doing the next kit. All right, you guys, thanks so much. I'll see you soon.